If you want to change theme on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our wallpaper and style section. So here, we can either choose from one of the preset themes. Let's press my themes, and here you can find all of them. To use it, or also we can press more themes, and there we'll find all the variants which are set up on our phone. Unluckily, in some regions this option is available, so you can get to your theme store. In some regions it's not available. I live in EU, so it's not available in EU region, unluckily. So let's choose from one of the followings. For example, let's choose this one. When you're satisfied with the theme, press apply, press OK. Now you can choose the wallpapers, colors, or featured colors. I'll set them on bright, for example. And now, as you see, our new theme is applied. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.